Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky. In today's video, we will be twinning. Ow. So you guys, this is my twin cousin Mechya.
Hey y'all.
And I will be transforming her into me today, as you can see. So if you'd like to see more, then just stay tuned. But before we begin, I would like for everyone to leave a big thumbs up down below. Also, while you're down there, check out my social media. Add me on Snapchat, Instagram, and my La Vida Rosa Facebook page. Her Instagram will be down below. And don't forget to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get into this video.
Yeah, I use this.
What color?
Warm honey.
Oh, me too. Okay, we got the same color.
Okay, but like I want to try this though.
Oh, you do?
Like,
okay.
Like I really do want to try this.
Okay.
And it's not like it's like your local beauty supply. Like it's like a regular beauty supply, but it's like, you know, they be trying to get over on folks because of the area that it's in.
It's convenient.
Yeah, exactly. It's convenient. They try to take advantage of how convenient they are. I just refuse to pay over $10 for a bonnet. Like,
Ain't no way.
Why would I do that when I have the silk gown at home that I put over my head? I sure do. It works just fine, girl. Hey. It works just fine. I sure do.
It's the same thing. I used to use a slip whenever I couldn't find my bonnet.
Truly. That is, and you know what? It's called improvising.
Yeah.
And being cost efficient.
It's innovative. It's
innovative.
You're right. And I'm not wearing slips, so it might as well be a bonnet.
I've actually been kind of into like slip dresses.
Really?
Yeah, I actually have. But that one of mine like broke, so I was just like, okay, well, I can upcycle this into a new bonnet. But now, you know, I don't need to do that anymore because they do be slipping off sometimes. So I put it over my pillow. Just innovative on the internet.
Okay.
Yeah,
you just taught me something new.
Because I was just like, even if this slips off, because I have another slip, I truly do. So I put it over my head. And if that slips off, I just have some extra protection on my pillow. And, you know, it covers the whole pillow. You know, there's no slippage going on there. And so if I am tired and I don't even feel like going over there to get my things, you know, I could just sleep on this silk pillow. And it's fine.
I have the Real Techniques, but I like this one better. It's from Echo Tool.
Oh, yeah, I heard about this. It's good too.
It's really good.
Mine is so hard. My phone is so hard. I just be like, LOL. Like, I don't even wear makeup enough to like invest in one, but like I wish I had one because truly when I be doing it, I just be like, there must be an easier way. My junior year, that's when I started setting.
Wow.
That was actually a
long
time.
I wasn't doing none of this in high school, so I can't judge.
Yeah, but I feel like this is like just two completely different eras in time.
That's
Nobody
true.
was anybody even like wearing makeup? I mean, I'm sure they was wearing like
not the way they do now.
Yeah, not the way they do now at all. People be really cranking these looks out.
And I'm just like, I wasn't looking like that back then.
Yeah, I feel like people are trying to skip their ugly phase.
You can't skip your, see, that's, I
Like,
say that all the time. You can't skip your ugly phase.
You cannot do that, girl. Because it's going to catch up to you, girl, at the wrong time.
Okay.
If it's not now, it's going to be later, girl. You might as well get it over with.
Get it over with.
Right now.
We all had one.
Exactly. It's more acceptable to be ugly when you're young anyway.
That's true. Because the people still got to be nice to you. Except for the kids.
I know.
Kids might tease, but...
But they ugly too.
Yeah, they ugly too. And, you know...
You ever look back and be like, oh, I was ugly.
I do that all the time.
Because even when I thought I was cute, I was like, I was looking back today, I was like, I was so like, but honestly, I was like, I was so cute, but like ugly at the same time.
Yes.
Like, oh girl, what were you doing? But you was doing it though. Like,
right. At least you thought you were.
Exactly. Like, you know, for the era and time, I did that. But now, I know that I'm saying I truly do not do anything.
Fenty Beauty.
Ooh, that smells like fruit snacks. And like the people were trying to encourage me so hard, and I was just like, I feel like y'all are victimizing me. And so that just made me not want to do it even more.
Like, it took me a long time, but I was just so determined because I begged for contacts for so long that I was like, oh no, I'm wearing these contacts. I'm learning how to do it. It was so frustrating though.
How did you learn how to do it?
I just kept doing it, and eventually you just have to realize that your finger is going to touch your eye. And you can't like be scared about that. Like, you gotta get over that. Like, your eye does not want to be touched. Like, it's gonna automatically close and water up. You can't see without them.
No, I can't. Like, I definitely need glasses.
So you like me.
Yeah, girl, everything is blurry.
Today when I took my glasses off, literally everything was a blur. It just looks like some blobs.
Exactly.
No type of definition. I'm like, how am I this blind and
I know
I can put glasses on and I can see? That's crazy.
I be feeling, I know. And then I remember I was working with my I was at work and my manager had this like eye patch on, and we was like, baby girl, what is wrong? And he was just talking about like his eye problems or whatever. And so then I started talking about eye problems, and then we like turned to the other person and they was like, oh girl, I got 20/20 vision. And I was like, girl, you out here seeing well for free? Wow, what a miracle.
Why can't I see good?
Why can't I? Like, why can't I see well for free? I just want to be seen. I just want to see for free. Like,
and then when did you have to start wearing glasses?
Oh, when I was in like elementary school.
Me too.
Like 3rd grade.
See, for me it was even earlier. It was kindergarten. So
wow.
So I don't even know what it's like to see without glasses.
Yeah.
I must have just been blind. Like, I don't know. I see?
You know what? Yeah. Now I'm thinking about it. I'm just like, could I even really see?
It's so cute. We should have did this for church.
We should have. Oh, they would have been like, Keisha, who? I'm
for
confused.
real.
I am confusion. Hey girl, hey.
So this is the finished result. So tell me what you think about the results down below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one.